Hey y'all, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Jada if you're new here, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing Color CL's new Addict color contacts. So guys, this is the packaging. This is how it looks. They come 10 pieces, meaning the contacts are for 5 days, because I don't know if I mentioned they are 1 day use, meaning you wear them 1 day, then you throw them away. They also came with cases, so that's always a plus. And again, this is the packaging. It has a pretty purple and light purple on the package. So yeah, we're just going to jump right into the first pair. So that was lychee green, and the next one we're going to pop in is syrup khaki, and yeah, I'm going to pop those in right now. Alright y'all, that was syrup khaki, and the next ones we're going to pop in is syrup pink. Alright y'all, so these are syrup pink. To be honest with you, I don't know where they get pink from, but the syrup I can maybe see because, you know, syrup's brown. So yeah, but these are beautiful as well. I love these too. These are dope. I'm gonna come up a little bit so y'all can see a little closer. Alright y'all, these are lychee gray, and if my eyes are a little red, that's just because I just poked myself in the eye with my nails. But y'all, these are so freaking pretty. I'm wearing these tonight to the casino, y'all. These are so pretty. I guess I didn't even know it. I saved the best for last. These are so freaking dope. I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see. I hope y'all can see these. So yeah, these are lychee gray. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope y'all like this video. It's more contact try-ons to come. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let me know if y'all, I was thinking about doing the contacts with the ring light and in natural light, just because when I used to look for contacts and stuff like that, I would always see them with the ring light, and I would want to get a better look at how they appeared with natural light. So I think that's what I'm going to do for my next try-ons with my contacts. But yeah y'all, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up like I said, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.